If you're looking for a simple, effective way to hide the author name from your WordPress 2021 site, you're in the right place. Sometimes you want your posts to focus solely on the content itself. Or maybe your site has multiple contributors and you'd prefer not to display individual authors. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to hide the author section on your WordPress 2021 website quickly, safely, and without any confusion. Let's dive in together. First, go ahead and open up your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub for all the behind-the-scenes magic of your website. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to sign in with your admin credentials. Remember, you'll need admin access to make these changes. Once you're inside, look towards the left-hand side of your screen for the menu. Here you'll spot an option labeled Appearance. This is where you manage how your site looks and feels. Click on Appearance. This step is important because everything from colors to layout, and yes, even author info stems from here. Now you should see a submenu under Appearance. Click on Editor. The WordPress editor allows you to fine-tune your site's design templates. And it's a powerful tool, so take your time as you explore. It might take a few seconds to load, especially if you have a lot of themes or templates installed. Don't worry if it does, that's totally normal. Inside the editor, you'll find a section labeled Templates. Templates control the different layouts and features across your website, including how posts and pages look. Click into Templates to reveal various layout options. Here, we can adjust the way author information is displayed. Looking up at the top right corner of your editor, you'll notice a small gear icon. This is the settings menu for the template. Clicking the gear will open more editing options on the sidebar. If you've never poked around these settings before, it's worth noting this icon gives you granular control over sections like title, categories, and yes, the author box. Next, hover your cursor over the section labeled Author, depending on your theme. This area might look like a small module or a designated author box. As you bring your mouse over it, you'll see the Hide Author function pop up. This is exactly what we're looking for. Click on Hide Author. What this does is transfer the author property to a hidden state, so WordPress won't publicly display who wrote the post. If you're wondering why this matters, it's basically like removing the byline from a newspaper article. The content stays, but the writer's name steps out of the spotlight. This is great for team blogs or when privacy is a priority. Check the lower left side of your screen. You'll find a review button there. Giving your changes a quick review before saving is always a smart move, just to make sure everything looks as intended and nothing else has been affected. After you confirm everything's looking good, click Save to lock in your changes. And that's it, you've successfully hidden the author name on your WordPress 2021 site. Your posts will now display without the author box, keeping the focus right where you want it on your awesome content. If this walkthrough helped you, please consider hitting the like button. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions, or if your theme looks a bit different and you're stuck, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward WordPress tutorials and website tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.